Yes, so we were doing a soft washing in Davenport, Florida,
Hi guys.
and using a downstreaming process, soft wash, and special tools. The tool that we were using is the X-Jet M5. That nozzle is attached with our wand and allow the product, the cleaning product, to spray without passing into my machine. This product is the X-Jet nozzle is adjustable, so we can adjust the way it sprays the product. If we take down the little hose where it's pulled out our chemical, we can rinse with that nozzle too. It's really easy to use. Soft washing give us the opportunity to spread the product without damaging the surface of the house. The flooring of the pool area, we use a scrubber, and then for the screens we brush it and then we rinse it. The attachment, the X-Jet M5, give us the opportunity to spread the chemicals up to a vertical surface or as high as like 45 feet, in different kind of patterns. So it can be in 60 degrees, 45.